In this Snapchat video tutorial today I will show you how to friend request on Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app that you have installed. So if you want to friend request to someone on Snapchat, so for that you just need to use the simple method which always I recommended my friends. So the simple method is you just need to tap on the Snapchat profile, and here you will find the add friends option on the top of the profile. So tap on this one. So right now you can see someone sent me a request which one display and added me, and I can easily accept friend request from here. But if you want to send the friend request, so you just need to simply use the quick add. So right now you can see there's a lot of Snapchat profile which one display on quick add, so I can easily send the friend request to any one of them. So let me show how I can send the friend request. So tap on the 8+, and now after a few seconds you will find edit. It means that you have sent a request to the person, and when he accept the friend request, so you will find the Snapchat score on their profile. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to friend request on Snapchat. So all you would have to do is you just need to find the Snapchat profile of someone and then tap on 8+. So after confirmation of the friend, so you will see the friend on your Snapchat friend list. So this is pretty simple and cool feature which allows you to friend request on Snapchat. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you get the more videos regarding Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.